Cement is the foundation of modern construction.
Cement production begins with natural raw materials.
Limestone is extracted from quarries using heavy machinery.
Clay is collected to balance the chemical composition. Raw materials are transported to the cement plant. Large rocks are crushed into smaller pieces. This prepares the material for grinding. Conveyors move materials efficiently across the plant. The raw mill grinds materials into fine raw meal. Blending ensures uniform chemical composition. The raw meal is preheated using recycled hot gases. This step removes moisture before burning. The rotary kiln is the heart of cement production. Temperatures exceed 1400 degrees Celsius. This process forms clinker, the key cement ingredient.
Clinker is rapidly cooled to stabilize its structure.
Cooling prepares clinker for final grinding. Clinker is stored until needed. Gypsum controls cement setting time. Clinker is ground into fine cement powder. This fine powder is cement. Quality tests ensure strength and durability. Finished cement is stored in silos. Automated machines pack cement efficiently. Robots prepare cement for shipping. Cement is transported to construction sites.
Bulk cement is used for large projects.
Modern plants reduce environmental impact.
Production is controlled digitally.
This is how cement is made, step by step.